you want to save time on your painting project, then the best paint sprayer is going to help you make that job go by quickly. Finding the right spray gun, however, can sometimes be a tricky process, and if you want a tool that is reliable, versatile, yet still affordable, you can get the most value possible from your investment. Some paint sprayers are designed with specific features. There are varying types of pressure and different types of paint feeding available. Some models can even spray stains, lacquers, or varnish. So if you're looking for one, we can help you with some of the best in the business. Check out our new video to get more details about the latest products on the market. The Wagner 0518080 Control Spray Max 2 sprays materials in patterns from 1/2 inch to 12 inch broad with optimum control and precision, making it superior to brushes and spray cans for excellent finish work. It comes with an HVLP technology that uses a high volume of air at low pressure to atomize materials into fine particles. It combines variable air pressure control, a metal spray gun, and a powerful 2-stage turbine to make it easier to paint walls and surfaces with latex paints and thinner materials like lacquers and stains. Also, it provides 3 spray patterns for versatility and a 20-foot flex air hose to extend your reach. Its lock and go front end makes material changes quick and easy. Moreover, it includes 2 air filters that protect the finish from dust, a 1-quart contractor grade viscosity cup, and a larger 1.5-quart plastic cup. Besides, it features a viscosity cup that lets you measure the density of the material that you're using and then adjust your spray pattern as needed. The Graco Magnum 262805X7 offers fully adjustable pressure to give you the ultimate control of paint flow for any project size. It has a stainless steel piston pump that allows you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. Also, the flexible suction tube allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. It provides a power flush adapter that connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. Besides, it can support up to 100 feet of paint hose, allowing you to spray 2nd and 3rd story homes. Moreover, it is equipped with RAC IV switch tip that will enable you to reverse the tip when clogged, allowing you to keep spraying. It provides a convenient cart that allows you to move both the sprayer and the paint around your project quickly. Another advantage is that it offers an SG2 metal spray gun with in-handle filter that blocks debris to help prevent clogged tips. The HomeRite C800766 Finish Max comes with fast and easy setup, multiple spray settings, and quick cleaning, which make this sprayer a top pick for do-it-yourselfers. With 450 watts of power, it can handle thicker paints and varnishes, which means no thinning is required. Also, the 39 fluid ounce container enables you to spray larger projects without having to refill as often, saving you lots of time. Besides, it uses precision brass spray tips and nozzles, which provides superior performance over their plastic counterparts. Moreover, with 6 available spray tips, you can tackle a wide variety of projects, such as furniture and cabinets. But you can also take on fences, decks, and walls, which are uses typically outside the capability of an HVLP sprayer. Also, by adjusting the trigger control knob, you can change your spray pattern from 1 inch to 6 inch wide. To spray irregular surfaces, align the tabs to a 45-degree angle and you'll get maximum control by regulating the paint flow. The Wagner 0529021 Flexio 890 HVLP has integrated storage that comes with the innovative iSpray nozzle for broad surface coverage with no thinning necessary. It is suitable for full coverage and low overspray jobs, and this system has a detailed finish nozzle for exceptional finishing projects. Also, its X-Boost power box keeps weight on the floor, not your hands, reducing user fatigue for lengthier projects. Besides, the 11.5-foot hose and the handle with integrated power dial fit right into the power box for convenient storage between projects. It works with unthinned paints, including paint and primer, all in one products. Moreover, the iSpray nozzle sprays unthinned colors for both interior and exterior surfaces. Another advantage is that the filter on the turbine is easily replaceable. Claiming the first place among the list of best paint sprayers, we have the Graco Magnum 262800X5. It offers fully adjustable pressure to give you ultimate control of paint flow for any project size, and the stainless steel piston pump allows you to spray paint unthinned at high pressure. It comes with a flexible suction tube which allows you to spray directly from a 1 or 5 gallon paint bucket. Besides, it can support up to 75 feet of paint hose, giving you extra reach for your projects, and it has an RAC IV switch tip, which allows you to reverse the tip when it's clogged in order to keep you spraying. Moreover, it has a power flush adapter, which connects to a garden hose for fast and easy cleaning. Another advantage is that it is ideal for painting all types of indoor projects or tackling outdoor projects, such as decks, siding, fences, or small homes. Thanks for watching. These are the best paint sprayers in the market. Let us know that you liked the video by liking it, and to see more like this in the future, make sure you subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.